What do you think about the new coalition government?
Well, quite frankly, really, me think me should really look after Great Britain, really, you know. Me think me can do a better job. Firstly, me got my cabinet. Me 3 wife and me 10 picking them. Me do a good job. First and foremost, all them black people that come from Jamaica, me dash them out long time, send them back in the yard. Apart from me 3 wife and picking of course. Me do a good job, man. Me clean up Britain. Me can't take the foolishness and the puppet show that I go on in the House of Commons at the moment. Me do a good job. A bloody good... Sorry, lads, forgive this, lad. Me do a very good job. First thing I would do, you know what I would do? I would make sure all the church have to pay them tithes. Yes, so we can get a building. We need a building, we need a church building, you see? But the church people, there is thief and mean and bad. And they don't want to pay them tithes. So I'd get the government to be at the door with a police officer. And they would arrest them. So anytime they don't want to pay them tithes, the police officer chuck them in a prison. And unlike Paul and Silas, there's no escape. No escape. You know what the next thing we'll do? 24-hour pub will be open. Not all of them. Just the one round the corner. And the betting shop. Because the betting shop in my little neighborhood, it closed 9 o'clock at night. You ever hear such foolishness? Me want to leave from private and go to a betting shop and them close. No. They're supposed to open all night. Okay? They're supposed to open all night. Me not happy about that. Me will change that straight away. They must open till 2 o'clock in the morning. By the time me finish, lose all my tithes, part of money. Sorry, don't say nothing here. By the time I spend off all the 3 wife them money, them kicking me out 2 o'clock in the morning, you see. But them have to change the time, if they change it. And you know the last thing me do? Me would have every church change them name to DeaCun BuBu Ministries. And all this Baptist, Methodist nonsense. And they don't want to cast out demons in them church. Nah, demons everywhere. You know what's the worst demons? And non-cooked food demons. Me have a wife, she don't want to cook food. And demons not. Eh? She don't want to give me things. And demons, there's demons everywhere in my house. Me would banish that. And make sure that we can cast out these demons so that we can get down to things. Yes. Because me want a fourth wife.